Today I wanted to do an Ulta haul. I got a lot of like really cute stuff. So it has been a while since I've actually shopped at Ulta, and there's so many new brands that I didn't even know were sold at Ulta now, and I was super excited to actually get to shop there for a little bit. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was this hair product, and it's the Redken One United. It's an all-in-one multi-benefit treatment. When I was talking to the lady at the salon, I was letting her know that ever since I had my daughter, my hair kind of tangles up on the roots a lot, and it's really annoying because I constantly have to be brushing my hair. If not, it gets tangled like crazy. So she recommended this as a leave-in conditioner, just to like really focus it like close to my roots and just leave it at the ends of my hair. So I got this to try it out. Hopefully it works. She also recommended I should probably do a smoothing treatment, but we'll see if I do that later on. I wanted to see if this would work first and then maybe do the treatment later. I also went ahead and found this in the sales section. It is by Tree Hut. It's a detoxifying Mediterranean salt scrub, and it actually has fig, olive, and activated charcoal. And activated charcoal is really good for your skin, so I was immediately drawn to this. Ooh, it's goopy. Plus it smells amazing. So it's just like a black salt scrub, and I really love scrubs. I keep a scrub in the shower, and I think they're really good for exfoliating. You know, if you exfoliate your skin, you're getting rid of all those dead skins, and you can actually prevent cellulite, and a lot of really great benefits come to exfoliating. So if you're interested in that, I do have some DIY exfoliators that I have created in the past, and I'll link them all down below for you guys if you're interested. This was the main reason I went to Ulta. I was going to purchase this from Sephora, but since I was in Ulta already, I went ahead and just jumped the gun. And I've been eyeing this on Instagram for a really long time, and I just really wanted to see it in person. So yeah, I just wanted to swatch it and just look at all these beautiful colors. So if you know me, I love neutral colors. This is just like my favorite shade range, and they're all so gorgeous. And this is like a really nice palette. The packaging is a lot like the Modern Renaissance palette, and I don't know, I thought about not getting it, but then love Anastasia shadows, and I just got it. Another eyeshadow palette that I purchased was the Pure Visionary palette, and I recently started discovering Pure eyeshadow cosmetics because I do get BoxyCharm, and they do send a lot of like small eyeshadow palettes that come in it, and they're really good, like real good. So when I saw this at Ulta, these shadows, they automatically just drew attention to me because these shadows are gorgeous. If you look, there's purples, there's like these really nice neutral colors. Like this is an eyeshadow made for a brown-eyed girl because these shadows are just so beautiful. These would even look good on green eyes because these shadows really complement green eyes, and I don't know, I just think it's so beautiful. So I'm excited to play with this. I also saw this and went ahead and picked it up. It's the NYX Born to Glow. It is just a highlighting palette, and it's swatched pretty well in the store. This was the last one too, so I was like, well, I mean, I like highlighters, and this was a pretty good, I mean, it was $24, which I feel like is kind of expensive for NYX. You do get 6 highlighters, so maybe it's not horrible. Looks like you kind of get a little bit of everything. You have some champagne colors, some blush colors, a little bit of a bronzy color, and I thought this would just be so beautiful for like summertime, which is right around the corner. I'm just excited for this. I hadn't heard anybody talk about this, so I hope it's good. I hope so. I mean, NYX is a pretty good brand, so fingers crossed. I did pick up one cleanser, and it's also by the brand Pure. It is called In the Clear, and it's a clarifying cleanser, and I actually needed a new cleanser, so this is what I got. I just wanted to try it out. It seemed pretty awesome when I read the box. Obviously it's not in the box anymore, so I just kind of wanted something like purifying and just something quick. Normally to remove my makeup, I like to use cleansing oils, but on those days where I'm not wearing makeup and I just kind of want a quick clean, I will most likely use this. Hopefully it's good. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, so this is the main reason why I went to Ulta as well. I wanted to try the Shape Tape foundation. Wrong side. I've seen so many reviews about the Shape Tape foundation and they're really not that like great. I do have dry skin, so I wanted to pick up the hydrating foundation, so I'll keep you guys updated if I like it or not. I am always on the hunt for a good foundation, so hopefully I like it on my skin. I know it wasn't everybody's cup of tea, but I'm gonna try it out. I was also really excited to see Dose of Colors at Ulta now. I had seen other YouTubers say that Dose of Colors is now at Ulta, so I just picked up one liquid lipstick called Strawberry Pop, and a lot of their liquid lipsticks were actually sold out, so I just went ahead and got a really pretty bright color. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Y'all know that I love my bright colors for summer, so really pretty strawberry, like watermelon red color, pinkish. Like I said, I've never tried Dose of Colors, so I'm excited to try the formula and see how they work. I hear really good things, so I'm very excited. I just wanted to try out one to see if I like it, and if I do, I'm gonna get some more. I did purchase 2 palettes from Dose of Colors as well. I went ahead and got the baked browns, which is this palette right here. I've heard really great things about this palette, and I love that all the shadows are matte. The shadows right there, such a nice range of browns. And I also got the Blushing Berries. This one was the one that I really wanted. And so there's a Blushing Berries, really nice berry colors with a awesome dark black. I can see really great looks in the future with this guy. Okay guys, so the last thing I purchased was another Dose of Colors product. I've been wanting to try these for so long, and I'm so excited that I was able to find these at my local Ulta. This is in the color Maple, and what it is you pretty much get, let me see if I can open this, you pretty much get the cream shadow at the top, and then you open it to get the pigment, and it's supposed to be like an awesome duo for your eye. So you put the cream on top of your lid first, and then you pat on the pigment. Obviously you don't have to use them together, you can use them separate. You can mix and match with other shadows and pigments, whatever you like. Makeup is always play and fun, so have fun with it. Don't take it so seriously, because you can always wipe it off and start over, which we all know that we don't want to do, but it's not that serious, okay? So that is it for my haul today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a few things that I picked up. Like I said, I haven't been to Ulta in a really long time, so I was so excited to actually see. As always, leave me a comment down below letting me know what is your favorite brand that they sell at Ulta. I know that they have drugstore, they have high-end. What is your favorite? Let me know. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you in my next video.